going to have mad fun. Ginger garlic. I actually live a very boring life. I don't live a boring life. I just live bye bye.
Actually, I'm going through shit, but
Even though I still want to document
now NYC cannot take my spot.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. From the last clip you can see that I was trying to vlog in the market, but I ended up stopping. This vlog was supposed to start yesterday, but I ended up stopping because of rain. So I'll say that this is an official welcome to the vlog. This is going to be days in my life vlog. Hi, my name is Amida, and this is my welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you. You're going to have fun, yeah, I promise you. You're going to have mad fun, yeah, I promise you. I actually live a very boring life, but even though my life is, I don't live a boring life. I just live actually I put it, I like to say myself that I live a unique, ordinary life. So even though I don't do much things every day, and I feel like I just repeat the same routine every day, even though I still want to document it, and I think it's also going to help me try new things. If I'm thinking that, oh, I have to film, I think the thought of me thinking that I want to film for my YouTube is going to help me it's going to help me do or try new things. I've been trying to do a lot of things for a while, but I've not been motivated to. So I think if I'm vlogging, I think it's going to help me to try. So enjoy your stay. I'm not really used to the camera, so it could be a little bit, but yeah, bye. So today I have a few things on my list that I want to do today. I want to go get a thread right now because I want to sew a dress or a skirt actually from one of the materials that I got yesterday. I think I should give you guys all of the materials that I got yesterday. So right now I want to go get a thread, and I'm holding an umbrella with me because it's about to rain, and I have 3 things on my list right now that I want to do today. First thing is I want to sew a skirt, and I also want to see my friend, and I also want to get something at the supermarket close to my house. So where I want to go get the thread is at my friend's mom shop. So I'm just going to say hi to her while I'm at it and just check that off the list for today. So yeah, not me just finding out that my job is done. Ow, oh my god, I'm just grateful that I'm not wearing this to a very far place. If not, I would have cried honestly. Anyway, so I'm gonna survive. I have to survive, you know. Like
I don't get it. Like
really, we didn't say I don't get it. Cook. What do you want to cook, safe? Jollof rice. Didn't.
Smoked jollof rice. Jeez, I'm
this girl, I'm full.
Honest. This is me preparing for my jollof rice. These are my ingredients: tomato paste, ginger garlic powder. She dey use the by volume or something.
O je to fe je lo tún fi gbogbo báyìí.
Spicy onions. If I don't put onions, tear bomb. Yeah, do the wall. If you wish your tongue, use half. What do you see?
Nothing to my friend.
I'm doing fine. Actually, I'm going through shit, but now NYC cannot take my spot.
NYC will never take our spot. Our light skin, our light. mo fẹ́ ra materials àbí òwú sky blue. Ẹ̀wọ̀n dàṣẹ́ tí bye bye. So I just left my friend's place and that's off my list for today because I was genuinely worried about her. I called her yesterday. No, I called her this morning. She was not picking up her phone and I sent her a text today. She didn't reply, so I was scared. And now that I've gone to check up on her, fine. I'm glad that she's fine and that's off my list. And I already also got the thread that I wanted to get from my mom's shop. So the next thing is just to go. I haven't eaten this morning. I just remembered. So I think I'm going to eat and then sew the skirt that I want to sew, or perhaps sew the skirt first, then eat later. So bye guys. I ended up not using this umbrella. Rain has not fallen yet, but the weather is still gloomy. I feel like rain is still going to fall, but just hasn't fallen yet because rain has been falling back to back. When I went to the market yesterday, this rain was beating me, like beat the air out of me. From my house to the market, from the market back to my house, and it was so crazy. Honestly, I can't even lie. Let's do a quick haul of the materials that I got at the market yesterday. I got this mesh material. I got this in 1.5 yards, and I think I got 1 yard for 1.6. Yeah, I think I got 1 yard for 1.6. I got this one. I got 1.5 yards of this, and I got it for 1.6 per yard. And I also got this lilac lycra material. I got 2.5 yards of this. I got 2.5 yards of this lycra material, and also this leopard print material. I got 1 yard of this for 2,000, and I got 1.5 yards. I guess I think I got 1.5 yards or 2 yards of this. Yeah, and also this mesh material too. I got this mesh material. I got 2.5 yards of this. I can't remember the price of this too. I'm sorry. So yeah, these are the only things I got. I got a few other things. I'm coming. And yeah, I got this gum stay. I can't remember the price because the person just calculated it for us with the other stuff that we got, and also this black trimmings. I think this black trimmings was 2.5, I think, and this one. So these were the only things that we got at the market yesterday. Yeah. Hi guys, it's Friday and I'm vlogging again. I didn't vlog throughout yesterday, by the way, because I was sick. On Wednesday, after I vlogged on Wednesday, no, I think after I sealed my dress on Wednesday, actually, I started having headache, and I've been having this headache for a while now. So I went to see my nurse and she gave me a few drugs to use. I'm better now, by the way. I'm just coming back from Juma and I'm trying to figure out, because I'm actually filming. I'm filming with the front camera and the rain is already falling. So I don't know if I should look at the camera lens to actually look at myself. I'm struggling with that. So that's why it's going to look like I'm looking at this place and looking at this place at the same time. So I don't know. Today I started sewing a dress yesterday evening, but I could not finish it. It's my mom's dress. She's going to wear it on Sunday. and I think I should be able to finish it today, but it's raining and I'm tired. I don't feel like doing anything today, honestly. I just want to sleep. Honestly. I can't sleep. I think I have to finish her dress today. If I don't finish her dress today, then maybe tomorrow. I should have to finish the dress tomorrow. I'm actually done with the whole thing. I just have to shape it. That's the only thing left for me to do. I want to try filming with the back camera, but I don't think I can. I can actually, but I don't know. So today I don't have anything to do today. I just want to sew, and after sewing, that's my brother, by the way.
Hi.
And after sewing, I think that's all I have to do today. I just want to rest. I want to sleep. This weather is giving just go and sleep. It's a very hot food and sleep. So I think I'm going to listen to the weather and just sleep. If I don't end up finishing the dress today, I think I'm going to finish it tomorrow. So yeah. Hi guys.
Busala is trying to be a proper larger,
I'm currently at Busala's house and what's time? It's 5:05. And I'm currently at Busala's house. We're about to bake a cake or the cake. Anyway, we just finished praying.
So you do it. It's not like this,
This one is struggling with scarf. So it's currently 5:05. We just finished praying and we want to bake the cake for our business. We're going to be baking the cake alongside our mom's apprentice. So enjoy. It's currently 6:40 and I'm at Bisola's house. We just finished mixing the cake and we're waiting for the oven to get off. Then we're going to put it in the oven. And I have to leave very soon because I have to go help my mom cook because my dad traveled and he's coming back today. And you guys, I forgot to add that I'm so happy about the adopted children that they found yesterday. I'm so happy.